Okay, our kilometers now is 1,219 kilometers. And we got 4 batteries left. And this is the review of the Nilox Dock 12. Right. Welcome back to the FW Project, and this is Michael, your host, and today we are here in Chinquale, and we're going fishing, and I am going fishing with my wife. And this is a review of Nilox Dock 12 after 1,219 kilometers. So yeah, it's still here, and I never got a flat. The hook is still here for the lock, and the lock that came with the Nilox Dock 12 is so small, so we figured that we should buy another one. And the cell phone holder is still wobbly, but we're still using it. So yeah, the horn is still here, still annoying, and we still have a functioning light, our backlight, our brake light, and our headlight here. So everything's still there. I never ever cleaned this before, and we don't see any rusts. Only the tires, it's changing colors, but it's normal for wear and tear. The stand is still there, it's still solid. And one thing that I am worried about is the brakes. So the brake here has a brake disc and a brake pad, and the brake pad is already gone, so it's normal for 1,219 kilometers. And I've adjusted it and to tighten it up, and still it didn't break that much. So if you are in a 1,000 kilometers and up, and you need to change your brake pads for safety, everything's still okay. And yes, in winter, like this one, the battery is 20%, 15 to 25% lower, because it's degrading because of the cold. So what to do? If you have a storage room that is dry and a little bit cool, but not cold enough, not negative, or not I think not 15 degrees below, your battery will be taken care of. But if you are stocking it like us, or you are just storing it in a cool place like us, we're 9 degrees below, the batteries will have a degradation. And so as I can see here, in winter the battery is 15 to 25% lower than when in summer. And we just charged this, and now it's half, and I just used it for like 6 kilometers or 7 kilometers. So yeah, the auto off is still there if you're not using it and you forgot that you turned it on. The auto off is still there. So yes, everything is still fine here. I never got a flat, I said it before. And as you can see here, this is a rough road and we're using it here. So yeah, that's the only update of the Nilox Dock 12 in 1,219 kilometers. This is Michael, your host from the OpW project, and thank you for watching.